We're looking up the exhaust line here. You can see up at the top, we've got the OEM clamp here up at the top. You can loosen that now if you'd like. That is a 12 millimeter nut on that, and then spread. It's kind of a clamp. It's like a V-band style clamp. So go ahead and loosen that and then just loosen it up. Now you do have a 13 millimeter nut right here. We're gonna leave this on for a few minutes as we work our way back down the car. Now remember, we took that cross brace off, but here's what we're not going to do. As we work our way back down the car, as you can see, you've got a single exhaust path that comes down into a branching exhaust path right here. And then the branching exhaust path gets all the way back here to these cross members back here on either side. So what we're gonna do is a little bit different. Because the path of the new AFE exhaust is different, we're actually going to cut the exhaust twice. Now, in the official BMW guides, when it talks about changing out your exhaust and doing other things, they're even cutting it. If you were at the dealership, they would cut it right here at the mark right here after the resonator. There's a mark here, there's a mark here. They would replace the resonator, whatever it happened to be, and they'd put in new clamps right here. Because what you have is this crossbody brace right here, and this is very strong and very complicated to take out. It's got big bolts here, it's got big bolts on the other side, but there's an easier way of doing this. If you cut here, the upper section will come down. Don't take that upper brace nut off yet, because you'll hold that upper section in place, right? But if you cut here, the upper section will come down and will separate away from your downpipe. The rest, when you look at this, you'd have to take all of this off. You'd have to take these big bolts out here and here, big ones over here. Forgive the shady lighting here for a second.